there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can pay a bill with MoneyGram. So before starting, make sure that your bill details is ready, and this will help you to pay bills quickly and avoid late fees. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your MoneyGram account, either online or open the app. So of course, you have to make sure that your email and password is correct so that you will be able to successfully log in. And then what you will have to do is select pay bills from the main menu, and then after that you will just have to choose your biller, and if it's not listed you could just use the add biller option and input the account number or reference number. Then you will enter the payment amount and select your payment method. It could be either bank account, credit, debit, or Apple Pay, so it really depends on you. And after that you will just have to review your payment details and confirm the transaction. And by the way, you have to make sure that the biller name and account number are correct, and you save the confirmation on or receipt for your records. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.